Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can day trade on your Etoro. Day trade simply means that you can practice your day trading on day-to-day basis, for which you can earn profit and minimize your loss. In Etoro, there are two accounts in your own account. What I mean is you are able to switch into your real account as well as switch into a demo account or a virtual portfolio. Here right now, as you can see, I just switched into my real portfolio. But if you want to go into virtual, you can again go into the switch to virtual right here on the bottom left side of the screen. If you simply click on this and click on switch to virtual portfolio, you can see that you'll be transported into your virtual portfolio. And this is exactly as the real portfolio, but the only difference is this is like a training ground. So you are able to day trade here to master strategies and make new ones, and also see how trading in Etoro goes with the type of investment you want, and that is basically how you can do a day trade. This is for this video, and this is a simple how-to on how you can do a day trade. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.